Hi, this is Erica with Your Classroom Academy, and the strategy this week is Notice and Wonder. This strategy is the precursor to two-column notes, which we get into next month when we dive into active note-taking. Notice and Wonder is also rooted in inquiry, where students look at content or whatever you give them to refer to, write down what they notice about that, and then what they wonder about that. So this is where they get to process information, but where they also start to organize their thoughts. The important thing when you start engaging in this strategy is giving students enough time to stay organized. So get organized and stay organized. When you're introducing Notice and Wonder, it's the I do, you do, we do, or the gradual release of responsibility. So you're going to be doing a lot of the modeling at first. So maybe you chose an image to start with. You might model what you notice about that image. You might write down on the left side of your notes, oh, these are the things that I notice. Write those down, students will copy. Then on the wonder side, you'll use sentence frames like you've shown students before when you were learning levels of inquiry to write down questions. Oh, this is what I wonder about this image. These are the questions that I have. Students will copy. Then you might have students work in pairs to come up with their own noticings and their own wonderings. Give them a few minutes to generate one or two ideas for each column, what they notice, what they wonder. Then have students share out. You might have a couple students share out a notice, a couple of students share out a wonder. Then you might choose a new image and repeat the process. You might model just one sample. You might model just one example noticing and just one example wondering before having students work with partners and generating more examples of noticings and more examples of wonderings. Giving them a longer time to work in partners and generating more ideas and more notes on their own. Then, instead of jumping to sharing with the whole class, you might have them turn and share with another pair. Then they can add to their own notes. If they learned about a new idea, then have them share out to the whole group. So this is a more scaffolded approach. Depending on the age of your students, you might show them another photo, maybe this is later in the week, and they can try it on their own. Maybe you have sentence starters to help them out, give them some access, some support, have them write down maybe one or two noticings, maybe just one question with a sentence starter. Have them share with a partner. Maybe they don't even have to share a whole class, or maybe you ask them to. Notice and Wonder is a great precursor to getting into more organized thoughts, 2-column, 3-column notes, Cornell notes. So this is a great way to help students process and organize their thinking.